A few years ago, I came into and made a lot of money, and this is how I did it. By the way, I'm not that Chinese money cat. My name's Nicole, and I'm not selling you anything, but I do love watching people hit the jackpot. And this involves no side tricks, no hustles, no side hustles, okay? I'll tell you what, I just simply did not like having to always check out prices when I noticed that my rich friends were never checking them out. I was aware that I really wanted a lot more financial abundance like they did. So I did this. I started listening to them. I started listening to how they spoke. And I noticed that they had a different language, or they used a different language than my friends who didn't have as much money had. They used different expressions. They spoke English, but it was just in a different, just in a different way. Granted that financial abundance was a given for them. Some inherited them. Some inherited the money. Most of them did make the money, though. So I got really clear on what I wanted the money for. The concept seemed simple enough, but I realized that I kept on coming up with loads of reasons why I really did not want what I wanted, and that didn't make any sense to me. But it was down to the fact that I was having limiting beliefs about money, scarcity thoughts. So I decided to use EFT tapping because I had used it very successfully about 2 years before that when I was going through a huge emotional upheaval. And shortly after I used tapping to tap on these sort of scary limiting beliefs that I realized I was entertaining and I had not been conscious of before, but I just kept on tapping. And within a few weeks, I noticed that I didn't have as many scarcity thoughts. So what I did was I replaced my tapping on limiting beliefs, and I started tapping on financial enabling affirmations. And this was not only productive because I was actually getting more money in, but I was also feeling really good every day. When you put the intention out there of wanting to make more money or to have more money, the universe is going to answer you, ask and you shall receive. But it just might give you what you ask for. If you say, I want more money, well, it might put a few pennies on the sidewalk, you'll find them, and that's more money. But that's not what you want, is it? You want much more. We are energy, and money is energy. Actually, that's why they call it currency. So we want to teach ourselves to vibrate on the same level that money vibrates at. So I started putting out in my tappings the exact sum of money I wanted by when I wanted it. And I said to myself, I'm thankful and grateful that the universe has heard me and I now have made or received X amount of money. You know what? It was working. The green lights were really popping up left, right, and center. So I'm going to give you my free EFT workshop, which I used on myself. Download it from my Linktree. And use it. Keep on tapping. And please, I'm really curious to see your progress. So leave your progress in the comments below and I'll get back to you. And one more thing, keep on thanking the universe, Buddha, Allah, higher power, it's all the same thing. And just say, thank you, I'm so grateful and now, I'm so grateful and happy now that money comes to me, for example, in continuous, streams on increasing quantities. Make up your own affirmation and say it first thing in the morning and last thing at night before you go to bed. You're reprogramming your subconscious mind to believe that you already have the money. What our subconscious program believes, it delivers.